addiction. So I have yet another 135i on the channel, and if you're familiar with this channel, you know how much I love 135i's. But this one is N54, so that's fantastic. But not just that, single turbo, got great single turbo kit, tuned by Kent at Wedge Performance, 4085, 650 wheel horsepower in a little car, 135i with weight reduction, built by Raskin. So we are going to have a little monster on our hands. Feel that pull? This thing is angry. What's your name and tell me about the car?
My name is Mauricio. On Instagram it's WHP 135i, and I own a single turbo 135i. It's a stock race kit, position 6766. Turbo's rated for 935. Full bolt-ons, full E, horn injection, custom tuned by Wedge Performance.
Big up Wedge.
Wedge has been great. If you guys are looking for a custom tune, they've always helped me out and taken care of me.
Okay, who built the car?
My buddy Raskin built. Very good BMW technician. Pays attention to detail and stuff. I had no issues. We got the 1M suspension he did on my car, subframe bushings, differential brakes, coilovers, turbo kit. We got the welds over here. 17s, 17 by 10 with the Mickey Thompsons.
So it's got to put the power down?
Yeah, it puts the power down. It's great. It's at 20 pounds of boost right now, making around 650.
Okay, wow, that's a lot of power for a 135, right?
Yeah. It's like a little go-kart. It's like a little go-kart.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Hey, man, I appreciate you coming out, man. I'm looking forward to checking out the car.
Yes, sir. No doubt, man. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
I love its lightweight, I love its compact size, and I love its performance. This thing is explosive, guys. Well, I'm going to do one more pull. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. I'm amazed at how well this car hooks. My 135i used to snake all over the place. This thing pulls straight. These big Mickey Thompsons just dig into the tarmac and he just flings you down the road. What a car. High performance. Extremely fast. Guys, man, 2021 is just something else. These BMWs, the N54, the N55, the S55, the B58, the S58, all these engines are so tunable. The power that you can get out of them, the speed that you can get out of them is incredible. These are just insane. I need to send it one more time. Let's go. It's endless performance. As soon as we get onto a straight, I'm going to send it. Here we go, look straight. You can see my facial expressions. This is not fake. This car is something else. Wow. This thing has got performance everywhere. This precision turbo hits hard. Man, if you've got an N54, you've got to try a big frame turbo. It's next level. Again, another straight. Let's go. Whoa! brakes holding the power as well, not slipping at all. You can hear the rub. Man, this is definitely a visual experience. As I said before, this car is set up for rolling, so we do have noise, we do have rub, so I need to be careful with the but on the straights, it is a missile, a true missile, I'm not exaggerating. Wow, need to concentrate just to keep this thing on the road. You can feel the suspension swaying and dipping. The owner says there's 1M suspension, but these big meaty tyres are definitely affecting the car's cornering capabilities. Okay, I'll give the handling maybe 7 out of 10. I don't really want to push hard, but it does turn. The brakes are adequate as well. Okay, here's another straight. Let's go. Wow! I can't tell you how fast I'm going, but I can say that it's many, many, many miles an hour. Wow. And I ease into the throttle and I just feel out the grip. Then I check the car is stable and then bang, wide open throttle. That's the driving style, the driving technique required for this car. But it is a little monster. Here we go, one more straight. Wow! Hit it, hold it. Wow! Wow, so addictive. Man, I call this channel the Speed Addiction, and this car is the very reason why the channel is called the Speed Addiction. This car has got so much speed. Here we go. As I said before, this EF6 just contains the power really well. This car converts every little straight to an autobahn. Even the slightest tap of the throttle just catapults this car off into the horizon. The brakes are holding up pretty well. As I said, this is not a canyon car, this is a road racer. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, because I am bringing you the fastest BMWs in Southern California. Let's go. Wow. Okay, the car is built great. The oil temperature is just right, well below 250, at around 200. The car is built great. It can do this over and over and over again. What a car. And he's got plans to turn it up even more. This is only 650 wheel horsepower. I've driven a few cars at this power level and they seem fast, but this is so light. It's explosive. Wow, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please smash that thumbs up button, give it a like, share the video, and please subscribe to the Speed Addiction. Big up Kenneth Wedge for this tune. Big up the owner for this lovely car. Big up Raskin for the build. And guys, if you want to feature your cars on this channel, hit me up on Instagram. And stay tuned for more episodes of the Speed Addiction. Wow.